The Malaysian Meteorological Department MetMalaysia has issued warnings of thunderstorms, heavy rain and strong winds in 7 states until 12 p.m. today. According to MetMalaysia, the affected states are Perlis, Kedah, Penang, Perak and Johor. In Sabah, warnings cover Kuala Penyu, Beaufort, Keningau and Tambunan in the interior, as well as Papar, Putatan, Penampang, Kota Kinabalu, Tuaran, Kota Belud and Labuan. The department also said that first category strong wind and rough sea warnings are in effect for coastal waters of Perlis, Kedah, Penang, Perak, Johor, Pahang, Terengganu, Sarawak, Western Sabah and Labuan until 1 p.m. today.